G'day, it's DJ Glenmo here, back again for Toolbox Tech Talk. It's been a while. You might remember during COVID, lots of Toolbox Tech Talks every Sunday, live, 1 o'clock in Melbourne time. But they're back, and today it's all about 4777. Now, let's get comfortable here. I can stop the DJ and just get Sonny's off. So, what's 4777 all about? It's all about utility connections of inverter systems. But I'm going to talk about off-grid today and just point out that if you're doing an off-grid system, 4777 doesn't apply. That's right. If you're doing an off-grid system, it's out of scope for 4777 Part 1. You still can use inverters that have been tested to 4777 Part 2, because they all are. Well, they should be. But you don't have to comply with the installation standard 4777 Part 1. So, well, what does this mean? Well, it opens up a whole new opportunity. It's called 1000 volts max for residential, 1500 volts max for commercial. And how can that be? Well, 5033, the good old Australian-New Zealand standard, 2021 edition, raised the domestic limit from 600 volts to 1000 volts. And for commercial, from 1000 volts to 1500 volts. So, if 4777 Part 1 was always the blockage because it said, when connected to a utility, the maximum DC input for an inverter is 600 volts domestic, 1000 volts DC for commercial, but it's out of scope. So, put it in a nutshell, if you're doing off-grid, you can go to 1000 volts domestic, 1500 volts commercial. That's good news, guys. Anyway, see you back here for another Toolbox Tech Talk short. See ya.